Right now it's looking good. And if there's any adjustments that's required, it's very simple to get at. It's just a matter of opening the doors, putting them back in their pockets, and all the adjustment features are going to be available. However, when we get all the CAD data from all the planning into our CNC, once everything is true, square, and flat, and I know there's not a lot of homes that are true, square, and flat, but for the most part, if we can get this thing level, everything's going to be perfectly. There's going to be very, very little adjustments we're going to need. So I'm going to just open the door, and we're going to look inside to see where all these adjustments are. This here is my in and out adjustment, and this is my left and right adjustment. So as we have the left and right on the top to manage that side, we have the same system screws down below to make that same adjustment down there. And this is my in and out adjustment. This is my left to right adjustment, and down here is my height adjustment. So now we've done the REVEGO Uno adjustments, I'm going to show you the REVEGO Duo adjustments. I have to open the door and put it into a locked position. And that's by hitting the retention clips as we've done previously. So this is where my retention clip at the top, I'm just going to loosen that off. All right. So from here, this is my left-right adjustment. I have my in and out adjustment at the top. I have the same in and out adjustment at the bottom. Here's my vertical adjustment. Right here is my left-right adjustment. And then when I look inside, I have my gap adjustment by lifting up the clip and releasing it. This is my left-right adjustment on the hinges to manage the door gaps. So there you have it. We've now shown you an application, and now we're back to our perfect wall. Well, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this feature. And if there's any information you want on the REVEGO system, you can reach out to us at our website at blum.com. And we have the ability to also, on our website with the contact information, reach out to us by phone or email. And that way, any one of our representatives across the country can reach out back to you and provide the information that you need. So I really appreciate it again. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to the REVEGO system with you.